How to make video calls using Google Chat. Let's get started. Launch your Google Chat app. You will land to the home page. Now you have to open up the conversation where you want to make a video call. Google Chat is a communication service developed by Google, initially designed for teams and business environments. With Google Chat, you can send a direct message to anyone with a Gmail address or Google account. You can set up group chat with multiple participants or message one-to-one. Now to make a video call, at the bottom left corner you will find this plus icon, click on it. Different options will appear, head towards the option of Meet link. You have just created video meeting, now you can send it. Now you have to click on this option, Join Video Meeting. With that, video will open up. Now the person will also be able to join this video meeting, and this way you can have video call with that person. So this is how you can make video calls using Google Chat. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.